Okay, so here's a little Christmas gift idea for like $3 or less. I bought the book for like 50 cents at a library. They were used books, and I bought it. And it's a children's book. And so, yeah, then I have this. I got this. It's expensive, but like when it's new, but like you can get them at like Dollar Tree for like $1 or $1.25 at Dollar Tree for like uh water bottles. It doesn't look like this, but like cuz I got this one for like $30 or something, but like you can get them for like at Dollar Tree for cheap. And then if you make them popcorn, like you can make them some type of flavored popcorn, and you could put their like name on it or Merry Christmas or something over here. And then I didn't glue it, but there's this little cat ornament that I made for like Christmas ornament I made in my other videos that you can watch for like, I probably made that for like, well, I used more expensive materials like paint and stuff, but you could probably make them for like 15 cents or less or something like that. So this is like 15 cents to make. The popcorn is like less than $1 to make. And then a water bottle is like $1 or like $1.25 or something. And then this book was like 50 cents. You can get them at Goodwill for around the same price, maybe a little more. But yeah. So that's like a $3 gift. And I plan, and you could give that to it's like you could give that to like, you can make multiple and give that to like everybody in the, like all your friends and your family members. Or you could just give it to a family for the whole family. So yeah.